Dear children, I am going to teach lesson first, page number 21st, the rise of nationalism in Europe में देखें द स्ट्रेंज केस ऑफ ब्रिटेन। आपको इससे पहले यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ इटली के बारे में पढ़ा चुका था, फाइनल यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ इटली के बारे में पढ़ा दिया था। अब उसके नीचे देखें द स्ट्रेंज केस ऑफ ब्रिटेन, अ लॉन्ग ड्रॉन आउट प्रोसेस इन ब्रिटेन। द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द नेशन स्टेट was not the result of sudden revolution. Instead, it was the result of a long drawn-out process. Ethnic groups. What is ethnic group? क्या था? What was? There was a significant role of ethnic group and their cultural identities. The primary identities of inhabitants of the British Isles were ethnic ones, such as English, Welsh, Scot or Irish. All of these ethnic groups had their own cultural and political tradition. But as the English nation steadily grew in wealth, importance and power, it was able to extend its influence over the other nations of the Iceland. The English Parliament. The English Parliament, which had seized power of the monarchy in 1688 at the end of protracted conflict, was the instrument through which a nation state with England at its center came to be forced. Extension of influence. With the growth of the English nation in terms of wealth, importance and power, it was able to extend its influence over the other nations of the Iceland. The Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. It means in effect that England was able to impose its influence on Scotland, and the British Parliament was henceforth dominated by its English members. Scotland's distinctive culture and political institutions were systematically suppressed. The Catholic towns that inhabited the Scottish Highlands suffered the terrible repression whenever they attempted to defend their independence. Position in Ireland. Ireland was divided between Catholics and Protestants. The English helped the Protestants of Ireland to establish their dominance over a largely Catholic country. Catholic revolts against British dominance were suppressed. Incorporation. After the failed revolt led the Old Town and his united Irishman, Ireland was forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom in 1801. A new British nation was forced through the propagation of dominant English culture. They promoted their English language, national anthem and the British flag in Ireland also. Visualizing the nation. Allegory. The artist in the 18th 19th century found a way out by personifying nation. Nations were then portrayed as female figures. The female figures became an allegory of the nation. In France, the female allegory was Christine Marianne. Her characteristics were drawn from those of liberty and republic, the red cap, the tricolor, the cockade Germania become the allegory of the German nation. Germania wears a crown of oak leaves as the German oak stand for heroes. Nationalism and imperialism by last quarter of the 19th century, the nationalism no longer retained its idealistic liberal democratic sentiment. Instead, the nationalist group became increasingly intolerant with each other and were ready to start war. Now, Balkans, the source of nationalist tension in Europe. The Balkan was region of geographical and ethnic variation. It comprised modern-day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Serbia, and Montenegro, whose inhabitants were broadly known as the Slav. A large part of the Balkans was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. The spread of the idea of romantic nationalism in the Balkans, together with the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire, made his reign too explosive. The Balkans states were firstly jealous of each other and each hoped to gain more territory from the others, leading to First World War. Each power, Russia, Germany, England, Austria-Hungary बोलते हैं, was keen on countering the hold of other power over the Balkans and extending its control over the area. This led to a series of wars in the reign and family. The First World War, nationally elegant with the imperial, led Europe to disaster in 1914. The anti-imperial movement that developed everywhere were nationalist because they all struggled to form independent nation state. People everywhere developed their own specific variety of nationalism. The idea that society should be organized into nation state was expected by the peoples as natural and universal. Now, important terms next.